Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about fundamentals of chemistry. In this fundamental of chemistry, first of all, we are knowing the what are the basic particles, just like atoms or molecules, etc. We are going to knowing the atom. What is the matter? Matter is defined as something which has some mass and some occupy space is called matter. For example, we see the general thing is, for example, chalk piece. Chalk piece is a having the we are kept into the table or uh, on the earth. These are occupy some space, and next this piece of chalk having the some mass. This type of substance we are called matter. And next, so many scientists are explain the atom is minor particles, but in this there is no so many minor particles. Some scientists are told, but according to John Dalton, these are having the so many minor or micro particles, just like a electron, proton, neutron, mesons, neutrons. And next, what is mean by atom? What is mean by atom? Atom is a indivisible or invisible particle. Atom is a indivisible or invisible particle, but according to Dalton, atom having the some minor particles just like a electron, proton, neutrons, mesons, or neutrons, etc. These four are except to mesons or neutrons, electron, proton, neutrons are we are called fundamentals of particles. Okay, what are they? Electrons, protons, neutrons. These three we are called fundamentals of particles. And next, we are learning about who is discovered by electron and proton and neutron. And next, what is the charge of electron in mass grams, and what is the charge of in coulombs, and what is the sign of electron, and these are present in the outside of the nucleus or inside of the nucleus. First of all, we are discussing about the electron. This electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson in the year of 1897. Okay, electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson in the year of 1897. Okay, now electron mass in grams 0.000548 electron mass in a grams 0.000548, and next charge of in coulombs. What is the charge of electron in coulombs? Negative 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 16, minus 1.602 10 to the power of minus 16, and electron charge in unit just like a negative sign, negative sign, that is the negative 1. Next, electrons present outside of the nucleus. In a atom, these electrons are present in outside of the nucleus. And next, we are discussing about a proton. Second one is the proton. That is, proton is discovered by Goldstein in the year of 1886. Proton is discovered by Goldstein in the year of 1886. Proton mass in a gram, so 1.007276 in a mass grams, 1.007276, and charge in coulombs plus or positive 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 16. The difference between electron and proton, same value but difference in signs. Electron sign is negative, proton sign is positive. And the next sign of the proton positive 1. Next location of the proton in the nucleus. Which side? In the nucleus. These nucleus are present in the nucleus. Electrons present outside of the nucleus. And the next we are discussing about neutrons. Neutrons is discovered by James Chadwick. James Chadwick in the year of 1932. In the year of 1932, mass in grams of 1.008665. 1.008665, and charge in coulombs 0. Neutron charge is 0, and sign is also automatically 0. But next to location of the neutron in the nucleus. Location of the neutron in the nucleus. See, once again, electron is negatively charged particle, proton is positively charged particle, neutron is neutral, that is the 0. And the next electrons outside of the nucleus. Location is outside of the nucleus, and proton and neutrons are present in the nucleus. Next, concept of atomic number and mass number. First of all, we are seeing atomic number. What is the atomic number? We are define the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom, or the number of electrons present outside of the nucleus in an atom is called atomic number. For example, every element having the atomic number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like a we are giving the serial number, that is the atomic number. But we are considered how we are giving the numbering, just like a based on protons or based on electrons. Protons are present in the nucleus, electrons are outside of the nucleus. We are considered protons or electrons, that is the atomic number. Once again, the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom, or the number of electrons present outside of the nucleus of an atom is called atomic number. For example, we are look just like a hydrogen is 1, helium is 2, oxygen 7, 8. Okay, just like. And the next atomic number we are denoted by the Z. Atomic number we are denoted by the Z. And next the concept of atomic number was discovered by Moseley. And next for example, we are looking atomic number we are denoted by the Z is equal to atomic number is equal to number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom, or number of electrons present outside of the nucleus of an atom. Example, atomic number of sodium is 11. Atomic number of sodium is 11. So sodium atom has 11 protons in its nucleus, and 11 electrons outside of the nucleus. Okay, once again, the atomic number of sodium is 11. In this sodium having the 11 protons and 11 electrons. We are only considered protons or electrons. Protons or electrons. Next, mass number. Next, mass number. Mass number we are defined the sum of number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is called mass number. Before we are going to see the mass number, once again, atomic number, number of protons or electrons. Number of protons or electrons. But here, number of protons plus neutrons. Number of protons plus neutrons. Okay. Mass number we are denoted by the capital A. That is formula is number of protons plus number of neutrons. Okay, and we know the number of neutrons, mass number minus atomic number. Number of protons, number of neutrons is equal to number of mass number minus atomic number. Just for example, the atomic number is Z. Okay, next mass number is A. Okay, atomic number we are denoted by the Z and mass number we are denoted by the A. Potassium are 19 and 39 respectively. Once again, atomic number and mass number of the potassium are 19 and 39 respectively. Here 19 is the potassium containing protons. 19 is the number of protons and the next 19 is the number of electrons. Remaining ones is 20 is neutrons. 20 is neutrons. Okay na? Potassium 19 39 here 19 protons or 19 electrons, remaining 20 is the neutrons. Just like a atomic number we are counting only protons or electrons, that is the 19. That is the 19. Okay, 19 electrons or 19 protons. 19 plus 20, that is the 39. That is the mass number. Mass number. Next. Next. Thank you. And next example, we see the atomic number of oxygen. Atomic number of the oxygen. Atomic number is 8. Mass number is 16. Atomic number is 8. Mass number is 16. Here in this oxygen 8 electrons, 8 neutrons. 8 electrons, 8 neutrons. Okay, thank you.